Right, hello, welcome to a new episode. Same day as last week's episodes, but you know, new episode. So we've come to a very posh area in London for this particular location. I'm meeting somebody there. He found this location, not me, so all credit is going to go to him. Let me just pull over quickly. So the location we're at is obviously undisclosed, but it's a very, very posh estate. I've seen Ferraris, some Aston Martins, Mercedes G-Wagon. I've also seen several burnt down houses. I've seen one burnt out car. So it's kind of a mix of like upper class area, but nutters that like to just set fire to shit. So we're gonna message the geezer now and tell him to meet us there. I will see you in 1 second. Well, we're on location. So straight away, we find two motorbikes, GSX there, another bike there. Oh god, it's hard to really move. Wow. Oh my goodness. We're just waiting for the chap to come now. What a find. The whole reason I wanted to come here was for this Cortina. That's one hell of a find. It's a super Cortina, I think. So this is what we wanted to look at. Look at that for a car. No way. That's a find and a half, that is. Weber carburetors. Can't even get in to show you. Cortina, look at that clock. Steering wheel's gone. This thing is just stunning. This thing is in exceptional condition. On the inside, that is. Oh, no way. What a find, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is exceptional. Apart from the clocks have been nicked. Someone's actually took that out to nick the clocks. I was kind of hoping this was a Lotus, not a Lotus Cortina. It's a very cool Cortina though, very cool indeed. This place is riddled with cool stuff. So I don't know the story on this place. I'm waiting for the chap to pull up and tell me a little bit more. How the heck did I get out of here? Get in here. Oh my god. That rear end. So what I can remember what he said is the geezer who owns all this has fled back to his own country and he's left all this to belong to nobody basically. Well, there's the chap's house. Very big house, but now no one lives there anymore. Chainsaws, an Audi Quattro here blocking that in. That's a good keyring. Peter Smith snap on, I like that. What a shame for this Audi. No way. See, if I was that geezer who owns this place and I came back to see this, I'd be heartbroken. It's like the chap just left. It's like he just literally left. You got a Ducati there, look. You got a Ducati Monster 900 Dark sat there doing nothing with a performance titanium exhaust. I mean, seriously. Well then, so the chap that gave me this location is on his way. He only lives around the corner, so he'll be here in a second. It smells of weed in this house. Well, there's the entrance to the house. We'll have a look in here afterwards, but I mean, he's got a bike in here too. The bike there, look. More car parts. Here you got some proper drag wheels. Loads of nappies. Yeah, so we'll what we'll do while we've got a bit of daylight, we'll explore outside first. Look at the cars, ladies and gentlemen. What a find. I'm blown away, I really am. I don't know what to say. Oh shit. A fox. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, that thing needs to be saved. Seriously. This thing's mint. That there's absolutely mint. It's spotless. I mean, look at the wing, look at the arches. This thing is spotless. Oh, look at that interior, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is literally... Oh, I've got to take my bag off and sit in this thing. This has done 86,000 miles, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the leather seats. 86,000 miles. And look at it, look at that. Oh my god. Mark 1 Ford Escort van. And there's not even a van, it's an estate. I'm just going to stay here for a bit. You can understand why. What's this digital clock here for? Is that like a timer or something? Oh my god. I'm speechless. I really am. So the chap that's giving me this location, he'll be here in a second. He's only a young lad, and he drives a. He's building a Spitfire. Just tells you what type of fella the chap the lad is. He's got his head screwed on, and he's 16 years of age. Do you know what I mean? This lad has got his head screwed on. Well then, let's get out of here because I will cry more. That shouldn't be there. I thought that was toasters then. So it's typical that the wind would pick up now. It's not too bad, she's all there. She's definitely all there. Wouldn't it be how cool would it be to do a wheeler start on this? I'm pretty sure you probably could do a wheeler start, because like I said, the geezer's fled to another country, so. I mean, come on, seriously. Oh my god. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just blown away. I really am. I'm genuinely blown away. I can't stop moaning. I can't stop like crying really, because the finds in this location are just exceptional. So I've never met the chap that's coming here, so if anybody comes in here and it's not him, I'm going to assume it is him. So you can tell that someone's stolen the Morris badge and the registration, because look how shiny that is. That's a recent steal, that is, and the badges. And someone's tried having this away as well. Oh, they have took it off. Okay, let's put that back on. Mileage on this girl is 27,000. 27,000. 127. That's quite weird really, because there's a lot of old cars here. So this was either an old chap or it was his dad's. Or he left this place a long time ago. Pretty sure the neighbours are well aware of this location. Pretty sure the neighbours are well aware of what's here. You know, you get those neighbours that like to try and protect things which doesn't really, you know, belong to them. Got a Matiz there. Found two of those recently. Oh no, wait, two more bikes here, look. Two more little bikes. What are those, ladies and gentlemen? Are they Hondas? 3 bikes. And they got a Bedford camper van here, which is really cool. Why is this undercover and not the Escort? God, blows your mind, doesn't it? The fuel cap's been stolen. Could you imagine us on this channel owning that? Putting like a Cosy engine in there or something. Or even a K20. I know, I'm joking for Ford purists. Oh, we're losing daylight, we are. We're losing daylight fast, and I've got one more location to do. But let's listen to the sound of that. Listen. Perfect. All this guttering needs cleaning. I had a bib outside. I know the lad don't drive, so maybe it's the owners returned after so many years. Oh my god, this place is deadly. He's the lad that gave me this location. How you doing, dude?
Yeah, but you?
Oh mate, this is fucking unreal. You ought to be on camera, ain't you?
Yeah, it's fine. You like it then, yeah?
Mate, I swear. Where'd you come from? How far?
It's like 30 minutes.
But tell them what the story is, if you don't mind. What is the story?
Well, there's I don't know if he's famous, but he's some sort of Singapore race car driver. His trophies are all like upstairs in the house and everything, but apparently he's been, well, the guy that owns the house got bankrupt. That's why they're like all the scaffolding's everywhere.
Oh, I see.
Apparently, but
He was doing renovations and he went bankrupt and flew back to Taiwan.
probably. Yeah.
Mate, but that Ducati there, that's worth a... Oh, mate. Oh, yeah, I see it there, yeah. Was that that was a twin, wasn't it then, probably? Oof. Yeah, it's twin, yeah. See, I found some locations and this is one of them that's up there with the best. And then the Mark 1 Escort right now.
Yeah, that's a shame that. Have you seen how many
That's
miles?
more than a shame, bro. that's crying shame. People's gonna go mental on the channel now for that. Yeah. So Jay reckons that this used to be a car park because this place here is it's got loads of like flats. Kind of assuming that this may have been a set of apartments, and these are like, it's kind of a weird story if these are actually the last occupants' cars.
Yeah.
Where's they go? I mean, some of the cars are really old. But you got the Diamaters over there, which is like in front of the Escort and the Sunbeam. Now that should be at the front, shouldn't it? Really, if you think about it. But that Escort looks like it's not that long been used. Obviously a few years, but it looks quite clean, to be fair. It looks really clean. Even that there, I don't know why they smashed the windscreen out for. It just makes no sense. I mean, the interior is destroyed, isn't it now, because the windscreen's missing. I bet this was a nice car too. I mean, this has got a pretty good body kit on it as well, and it's very low. This was a... I'd love to see what's under the hood. Bonnet, sorry. To all my American and English followers. Oh my god. So, he reckons there's been quite a few people here prior to him and a few things have gone missing, which is crap really, but you got to accept it with these types of locations. They get rinsed by people once people start knowing where they are. So there's one pin's been taken off, but the other pin hasn't come off. Oh, it's a car, it's a... oh yeah, it is off. It's a fiberglass bonnet. So this is a proper race car. Ooh, shit. Try and get a good view of that. Sorry mate. Not a lot to play with, like, but it's something. We've seen. This is a proper customer bonnet. This is. It's quite ugly, really, isn't it? I mean, there's a lot of filler. He's had fun with this. He's had fun with the old filler. Fiberglass. Yeah, so there's underneath the bonnet, ladies and gentlemen. So we've sorted that now. Let's close it. There's no cosy under there. Mate, I love these part sheds. Got some clocks up there too. What a parts cash, bro. Wow. There's a whole car in here, in bits. This bloke was nuts. How could you imagine if you were allowed to just, you know, empty this? There's another steering wheel there, look, off a full column off something there. And you got headers as well there, look. Let us know what they are, ladies and gentlemen, please, because I've got them completely wrong. I was just going by this Escort steering wheel. Mate. Oh. Well, then what we'll do, we'll venture into the house now and see what treasures they've got in there. Oh, don't make loads of noise, Stu, man, come on. That Suzuki tank there too, look. There's car parts everywhere, all hidden. Suzuki tank there, and I was looking for a tank for how long? Yeah, I was saying my man's building, what are you building, a Spitfire, aren't you?
Yeah, 72 Spitfire. At 16.
At 16, I did say that, yeah, at 16. 72 Spitfire at 16. See what I mean here, look? How shiny it is.
Oh yeah.
They're fresh, they are.
Okay.
Freshly taken off. Old Morris Oxford. And she's open. They come for us, are they? They bloody might be.
That's close.
Don't let her watch the video.
Yeah, it's true.
So we've been nicked. So he showed this location and we've been nicked. As you can see, we've been we got detained, we got searched, and now they're just checking the vehicle, and then they're gonna let me go. Have they checked the car yet? You checked the car yet? Huh? You checked the car yet?
No, they're just waiting. They're figuring out what we're doing. So we're just double checking the building again.
Okay.
Hopefully we won't keep them too much.
No, it's fine. You can keep me as long as you like. Let's see how I drive.